Investing in mortgage notes will pay you passive income for the rest of your life. I know because I'm doing it. I used to invest in real estate traditionally as a landlord and property flipper, but in 2013 I found out about a mortgage note investment opportunity. I took advantage of it, and today I have a multi-million-dollar mortgage note portfolio that only takes about an hour a week of my time. Yet it pays me massive passive income every single month. I know what you're thinking. Everybody says that, right? Everybody says, oh, I got this great new investment opportunity. Well, I'm here to tell you that mortgage note investing is truly a great new opportunity. Even though it's been around since 1938, when Congress approved the creation of Fannie Mae, mortgage notes have been trading all this time, but only the wealthy have been trading in that space. It wasn't until the last crash that the opportunity for the rest of us became available. And so I've taken advantage of it, and I'm teaching other people how to take advantage of it as well. Stick around and I'll show you how you can do the same thing. Hi, my name is Desi Arnaz, professional investor. And about 40 years ago, back in 1982, I started investing in real estate. That year, I flipped my first house and I began acquiring some rental properties into a portfolio. My goal and my dream was to have enough rental properties that I could actually live off the rent. Now, that doesn't sound so unreasonable, does it? You would think it would be a simple thing to do. Well, that's not how it worked out for me. Even though I owned 22 properties and 28 doors, I couldn't live off the rents. There wasn't enough net income for me to live off the rents. In fact, after paying for vacancies and repairs, improvements, property taxes, and all the stuff that a landlord has to pay for, there wasn't very much money left at all. But despite that, I still stuck in there and hung in there for 33 years as a real estate investor. It's because that's what I knew. And that's what we do, right? When we understand something, we just hang in there. However, in 2013, I discovered another way to invest in real estate. It's called mortgage note investing. As a mortgage note investor, I collect interest every month rather than rent. I actually become the bank for the homeowner that owns the property. Now, to me, this was very intriguing because as a mortgage note investor, I don't have to deal with tenants. I don't have to deal with toilets. I don't have to deal with taxes. I don't have to deal with vacancies because I don't own the property. I control the real estate because I'm the lender, but I don't actually own the property. Today, I do exactly what banks do. And as we can all agree, banks are masters of money. I learned that mortgage note investing allows a regular guy like me to create passive income using my savings or retirement account by buying mortgages directly from banks and hedge funds. Now, even though I had owned a Century 21 franchise and 2 different mortgage companies, I didn't know I could do that. You know, there's an old saying that you don't know what you don't know, and that's absolutely true, and I didn't know. You see, mortgage notes have one benefit that a lot of investments don't have, and that's something called collateral. Collateral is something that the lender can take if the borrower fails to pay. So, in mortgage note investing, real estate is the collateral. Meaning, if someone doesn't pay their payment to me every month like they're supposed to, I can actually take their house. Now, obviously, I don't want to take people's houses, but it's an option for me as a lien holder and the holder of the mortgage note. Think about this. When a person owns a mortgage note, there's really only 3 possible outcomes in that scenario. You see, if someone owes you money, it doesn't matter whether it's on a mortgage or anything else. Only one of 3 things can happen. One is they could pay you like they're supposed to. 2 is they could pay you early. Or 3 is they just don't pay you at all. And in each of these scenarios, I do okay as a mortgage note investor. If someone pays me like they're supposed to, then I'm going to collect their mortgage payment for up to 30 years. That's a lot of money. However, maybe they'll pay me off early because, as you know, most people sell their houses or refinance their properties every 5 to 10 years, somewhere in that range. So the likelihood that I'll be paid off early is high. So in that case, I'll collect monthly payments until they pay me off, and then I'll get the balance of what's owed to me. And the third option is if someone fails to pay. And that's the one that makes everyone nervous. But if you think about it, I literally, as a mortgage note investor, have stepped into the shoes of the bank. Now, if you have a mortgage on your real estate and you don't pay the bank, what will happen? You're right, the bank will take the property. Guess what? I have that right too as a mortgage note investor. I can actually take the property. I could hire an attorney, have that attorney go to court, get that property. And once I get that property back, I can do anything I want to do with it. I can rent it out, I can sell it, I could Airbnb it, I could move into it, I could donate it, I could give it to my kids. I can do anything I want to do with it because it's my house at that point. Now, typically what I do is I sell them and I take the cash and I buy more mortgage notes. That's what I do. In fact, literally this very week, I received a payoff of over $250,000 on a property in New Jersey that I got back in foreclosure. We only had about $160,000 in that note. So we actually made a very nice profit in that scenario. That's the kind of thing that I see happen on a regular basis inside my portfolio. And I know that other investors have the same type of experience. So if you like the sound of this, then like me, you're probably going to start digging into it. When I first heard about this, I started looking into it because I didn't really understand it. And I said, how does this work? So now what I do is I actually help people learn how to invest in mortgage notes. And I'm telling you, I'm changing lives. It certainly changed my life. In fact, I got rid of all of my rental properties. I do not own any more rentals. I no longer flip houses because I have learned this. The money is in the money business. That's why banks are in the money business. You see, banks don't flip houses, do they? Banks don't buy rental properties or invest in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency. Banks lend money because the money is in the money business. And there's so many ways that you can make really great returns safely with mortgage notes. And it doesn't take a lot of time. Even my multi-million-dollar note portfolio only requires about an hour to an hour and a half a week of my time to manage that large portfolio. Guys, this is a great way to invest, especially if you're busy. If you're a professional or if you're a homemaker and you just have a full schedule, a lot on your plate, you seriously should want to take a look at mortgage notes. I hope you found this intriguing. So here's what you should do next. Click the link below to learn more about this exciting, profitable, and high-yield investment opportunity. I'm sure you're going to find it intriguing just like I did and just like so many others are. One of the good things about investing in mortgage notes right now is that there's not much competition because most people don't even know about it. So it's almost like a hidden jewel, right? And so I'm going to suggest to you, don't waste time, get right on this. And if then you want to learn how to invest in mortgage notes, you want to learn the process, you want to get introduced to some of the banks and hedge funds that I do business with, just sign up for our coaching program. It's very affordable. You can sign up right at noteinvestoruniversity.com. And at Note Investor University, you can learn how to become a note investor. You can learn how to put your IRA into notes or your personal savings into notes. You can learn how to build a note portfolio that will pay you handsomely and safely for decades and on into the next generation. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys will head on over there, click on the link, do whatever it is, but take the next step. The ball is in your court. God bless you, and I'll see you around.